After watching this video, you will be able to understand how to set up a fishing pole. If you want to start fishing and are finding a way to get your fishing equipment ready, then you may follow the basic procedures and techniques on how to set up a fishing pole. Before having more information about how to set up a fishing pole, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. How to set up a fishing pole step by step. Step number 1. Assembling the rod sections. For a single piece fishing rod, skip this step and proceed to number 2. But if your fishing rod breaks into 2 or more, follow along. Get the pieces on a flat surface, which may be a table or such. Line up the male and female pieces of the fishing rod. Join these rod sections. Now, look at the ferrules at the ends. Securely hold the female ferrule and fasten the male ferrule into it. Note that males are inserted into females. Not force the rod sections together. If they are not coming together, just find another way. Step number 2. Attaching the reel. Always connect reel onto your fishing rod. To do this, look for the reel foot. Now attach the reel foot to the reel seat. Together, they should form a thread. Now, rotate the reel in a clockwise direction to tighten it to the reel seat. While making sure that the pieces are secured together, you should be careful not to over-tighten them. Step number 3. Threading the pole. You must lift the bail arm by flipping it up to the opposite side of the reel. Just like when putting rod pieces together and attaching the reel to reel seat, you should not force the bail arm to flip up. The direction, where the fishing line unwinds and the reel turns, should be the same. If not, adjust your spool to match the reel. Now place your fishing line around the spool once and make a knot, preferably overhand knot. Double the knot to secure the line, then cut the excess, just leaving 1/4 inch. Now close the bail arm. Turn your reel to wind up the fishing line around the spool. The amount of line you must put depends on your preference and on the type of reel you have, of course. Now that you have gathered the line around the spool, you need to tuck it under the line roller. After doing this, place the line along with the guides. You need to open the bail arm again with one hand so the other hand can pull the tip of the thread. In threading the pole, insert the line along with the butt guide first, then passing through every guide until it reached the very tip of the rod where the last guide is located. Step number 4. Attaching lure and terminal tackles. Whatever terminal tackle you decide to use, you must put it at the tip of your fishing line. Thread your line to your gears and lures by making knots. Step number 5. Set the drag knob. To tighten the drag, turn the knob clockwise. To loosen, turn it counterclockwise. The tighter the drag is, the more resistance the fish feels. How to set up a fishing pole. Conclusion. Setting up a fishing pole might be a complicated process, but understanding its parts and the roles they play in this activity helps make the process simple and easy. Once you have successfully set up your fishing pole, you are now good to go, ready to enjoy the recreation that fishing offers. For more information about how to set up a fishing pole, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.